Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Andrew. I am June's son. Some of you might know me, probably not. I'm taking over today. So I've never been out here. I do have to say it's pretty dope. You know, just being able to appreciate the wildlife and seeing parts that haven't been touched by man. It's refreshing. You know, I've never been able to experience something like this, nor take into appreciation of what we have left that's not commercialized or industrialized and whatnot. Got a jet ski out there. Don't know who those people are, but if you haven't been here, definitely a spot to come and check out. St. John's River. This place is beautiful, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this awesome trail. I mean, we can keep going. We can keep going and go through the trees, but because the water is low, we don't want to chance it.
I'll do it.
Go ahead, do it. He's going to do it.
Going into the no man's zone.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
didn't know that. Okay, let me introduce you to the Terminator 1 ski mask. Okay, this is the new and improved one with map point 2.0 embedded on the screen. All right, so you can see the map of where you're going. All right, coordinates. All right, GPS, Bluetooth. It has speakers in the back right here. You don't see them, but they're in there. Okay,
good Lord,
there you
got
go.
his own control panel in there.
And there's a control panel in there that tells you if your breath is bad, it will not fog up the mask. This is an amazing mask, $1,000. You can get it at June's World. So subscribe right below, right there. Subscribe so you can get one of these. $1,000. There you go. Peace.